guys, finally I am giving you all the house tour. So it's house tour of um, the apartment I lived in for last almost 2 years, less than 2 years, May. So I have news to share, but let me give you all the house tour. I love blue, so it's all blue. Aniveen, this is the vibe, and this is for the last time seeing my apartment like in proper manner. So we mush and now no do and boom the chimna chesham chia yega miga say let me show you my chesham. So this is the chesham I have. It's such a mess. I have my chesham, love gurimbache, lot more. Da, da, da. This is the chesham. I have my kitchen here. It's a little too messy. I guess this is how almost single person live. Very, very messy. And now let's go upstairs. I have loads and loads of books. So Anabi and Anabi. So I am actually moving to a new apartment, and this is day one of us packing. I've called my cousins. Meet my cousin. Do you want to say hello?
Hey!
How fun is it?
It's not so fun, All the like Kira, they are so heavy. I cannot imagine. How are you gonna carry that?
I don't know. I'm not going to carry.
Please somebody
So
carry this for her.
So I'm here just vlogging, judging them work, commanding, pack on a job because I'm the sister boss in this house for now. So this is day one uh of our packing journey. My master bedroom, it's a little too messy. I know, messy for now. That's my toilet, and this is my guest room, and we are packing here as well. Oh, Namgishu. So packing as well. So anyway, 3 BHK house. Day one.
Day one, let's go.
Yep. Let's go. Dango. I'm moving to a bigger apartment. Bigger, nicer, and more rental apartment. So anyway, Andy, there is love go. Denka's getaway journey di Gatile reached Betsup Sewashin through the house that I moved to and the rents that I paid. I started. Yeah, I did not tell them. So anyway, yeah, it's a secret. I'll take you all to my house. Yeah, when I move in. So this vlog, it's all my packing journey, and packing is something which I absolutely dislike. But anyway, I was just saying. I was saying, Tinker's getaway journey can be rated through the houses I've moved. You will not believe me. Thimphu na even a chim gamji pon this ocean. Babisa di.
First
Babisa and
the
Dantagizawa. I lived in a very bachelorette. It was really nice. Like I just had 2 rooms, 1 living room, open kitchen. It was very modern bachelor apartment. Rent 8,500 bimide. Then I moved to next here somewhere in Mutithang. It was also like two rooms. Literally the men parking thoka bedi chimdi. That wasn't my favorite. That wasn't my apartment. So Mutithang na pui, and that was definitely not my favorite house to be. So Anna 2 BHK, my rent was about 9,000 something. And then I switched to a furnished house during COVID time, and my God, COVID time, it was blessing in disguise, and the owner was very kind enough to literally consider my rent apartment. It was almost 35,000 rent, and I got it in lesser price because I was also working for the firm. So I had to move B, and then next, so gamji sum juimush, and next ngagati move B, so I moved to this apartment, and my rental shot up to 18,000. I wasn't sure whether I was going to migrate to Australia or stay back, say. So on previous chimney, they wanted to increase the rent, make it back to 35K. I couldn't afford, so I said I'll just move out. Labbe. So I moved out to this apartment, 18K rental, and I wasn't sure really, like I said, Nadinina in Australia migrate binina, say. That was the wildest thought when I moved house. And now, after 2 years, I think I have absolutely no plan to migrate anywhere else but to be home. So yeah, I'm moving. I'm moving to a bigger apartment. Rent come to do search your guest. So all ready to move. Okay. All right, so this is day 2 of getting things done. I mean packing. There's the going watching. I'm joined by someone very special who eats every work of mine. It's none other than. Do you want to say hello? Can I say hi? Hi. Hi.
Hi.
Oh.
Hi, Bishop. Honey, Matthew.
So Niveen, that's my mother, and she came here to pack Chesham. So Chesham di mogi genku ngai cousins ki ngai bedroom ni gi di pack with mush. The Chesham gi mogi, and what I'm going to pack is my books, because these babies needs to be handled with so much of care, dignity and respect. And when the books di ngai packing chutney in there. First thing first. My all-time favorite, the 5 a.m. Club. The mountain is you. More packings, more cartoons. Maybe. So on the in-between thing, as you guys know, nastily chebe winte. Now back to packing. Almost done with the packing. The last email last. Baby. Ready to go. Ready to move in. So finally, we're all set to move tomorrow. Are you ready, Momsy, to move? Are you ready to move tomorrow?
Yes, yes.
Yes? Okay, so it took us how many days? 3 days? 3 days?
Yes.
Took us 3 days to pack.
Thanks.
And finally, the day has come, and I'm already feeling a little emotional because this will be my last night here at this apartment. How long more you've been? So you know, every time you go to, you just leave pieces of you. So whoever stays in this apartment next, a piece of me, I'm leaving my piece of me here. So yeah. My footprints में wall gi lab gi and fingerprints this will lead on chimna. But anyway, I'll see you guys tomorrow. So it's a 3 days long vlog for this video. Good night, guys. And let's see. All right, so today is the day, guys, to move. And before that, we believe so much in auspiciousness and universe calling. So we have our Lama. Lama, would you like to say hello? Huh? Do you want to say hi? Hi to Denka's followers and viewers and Zungshu.
Hi, English Kim.
Hi and Zungshu Lik Pani. Kuzang pula Zungshu Lik.
Example.
Tino Han Jadang na Bitbu.
파이도 매당 탱커 파이도 매당 우사 탱커 파이도 매당 니 파이가 뭐 쿠바가 뽀치 필텐데 뽀치.
니 뽀체 쇼 하니 빌리길래.
뽀치 탁한죠. 아니 사석배고란 하든날라. 네 똥내가 된 나와주리 길리도라. 나와마주어 분한테날라. 아니 쿠기 네르베 때문에. 쿠기 네르베 약간 장난날라. 아니가 오만 디잡 나와 보스기나니. 어떤 알아갑자랑 obstacles만 보기 안주라. 쿠든 어전 장장시 불리 만나라. 잘백 피하는 분 만나라. kungi pochi mapin mapela dan dendera dinheiro que kan kesho ranga object chu sen gola o kolok tinga kuga jinna ko ni da parcha rang be ni kinya rang tenga tin jin bla ka ya to kijamo ana jin ni do ki ni so jimi pochi pele kele da kan joni kala de pochi ana tang ka singo
transfer이었네. 네.
장터서 transporter skin 거죠. 아니 다시 좀 나한다니 이렇게 난가죠. 상제 두지에서 해보 부스킨 아닌 알레가터 만차 기나데네고 하여튼 심칭은 된 게 어떤 게 뭐. 전매 길레다 부스킨 길 비교나 보시아니.
원결.
포치 되는데나 튕기게 뭐 tinga barsim pila kan jeng an jilam mang pok tram ni mang pok ilmu chi mang bochi lam nang tawa ke po yang ko sen ke po o ga ke ten bek de bang bun jom manala an ge bochi pile ke le an ge
아니 빙어지도 제 아니 알까지 돈도
사삼 pile ke le
살상라. 소 나래 침마 보이 해마 침림나 차지 들마 주도 마 차지 몰라. 아니 라틴 쿠바카 official transfer pinjana lamai. Meanwhile, I'm a zingpacha. Ang mola. Tingo to go mala. Katsadi got a bag behind the suddenly now lama wants chiviting I'm the number bag you know. Sarnebi majo chimna double hapsang be hapsa be go be na se khaje mo da ngagi ju be de kunchi mindu na bu chui kendo so ma chim sap na jo hapsa be ne me tab ka think first morning ilana amna amage so this is place to my new house my new place. I'll show this place. Yeah. So there is everything man. The perks of being Chimgi host is Chalarogi Bajinu Tinagi Ladi. Good in Chamchim. Meanwhile, Amma is performing. I love it. Love it. I just a security thing they do. House tour go then. I'll give you all house tour once I feel like I'm ready to give you all house tour. Meanwhile, the glimpse of my kitchen. Yalla shungpa. Whoa. In between, ngati service the gali lane se wajin city youths. Other city youths ki jinda ime city youths general service ki ngachi service will be so these guys show up pack bag garna to load bag unload bag ne be shift be jimeme cause in the ngada the boss me didi then boss me but then you know Kadi Kai Bradave and my lunch is sponsored by Abaya Cafe. Abaya Cafe give that's why I get served sushi the same for an neve.
Sushi abuse all sushi ba.
Abuse all them. Abaya Cafe lunch tea sponsored by Abaya Cafe and this curry is cooked by Aja with love from Aja Anebi man.
Chicken.
That's chicken curry with love by Aja. And that's pretty much it. 엄마 똥마장 엄마 똥마. 항트당 파이합도 똥마네 똥마고.
개봉은
Oi, kita matong sigo. Ji bhai sam dong mat samrang I have ki shake pa. Ana gi bu shake pa. Ya ana gi ma shake chi. Ana gi ma sakit chu. Om shake pa da. Ne bi tiu ma ngai. Nga jam chi chim po da kara tiu ngai. Table go ka ni. Pinche de se gara ne bi tiu ngai chim po ira. So yeah, almost done.